Hello, and welcome to a video of a B&M short shifter de-install video. I'm having issues with my shifters, or with my shifter that I don't like, and I'm trying to find out if it's the shifter. Did I install it wrong? What's the deal? Let me show you what the problem is. I am going on 16 hours after I've installed the shifter, and it's a nice shifter. It looks nice, but my issue is there's too much slop in it. What do I mean by that is that. Let's see, I'm not even in gear right now, so that's neutral, so that's normal, but like, you know, first gear, see how it fell back? And that's every gear while you're driving. You're driving down the road, you're in sixth gear, you got this giant wobble, and it's not like I have to really try. I'm using my pinky here. So that's my problem. I will address some things that people have brought up that I don't find true. They said finding reverse or getting into reverse is hard. No, it's not. It's fine. That little indent is a little bit harder, but I mean, there you go. So it's annoying me so much that I still have my stock shifter and I'm in a parking lot and I'm about to change it out. So let's figure out what's going on. Also, on a side note, if you're looking to install this shifter and you think, oh, the shifter is all black and I want to be a cool guy and I want to also install a B&M branded T-shifter handle, because that would be cool. You can't, because the post is larger than the thread, and there's no adapter to bring it up. There's adapters to bring this down, but not up. So you can't install a B&M handle on a B&M shifter. Makes no sense to me. Okay, so the center console's out. I guess you could also use this for an install in reverse. A little tip of the trade. Well, I'm not there yet. There's two bolts under this sheet metal back here that are really hard to get to, but there's a couple tricks. So here's the shifter, boot uninstalled. Again, I don't know. Maybe my mind's playing tricks on me, but that shouldn't be there. That's neutral. That's first. I mean, it's just too much slack. So anyways, the bolts I'm talking about are these guys right here. Now, they are 12 millimeter. And I'm going to tell you what has come in handy with me. You can do one of two things. It helped here. It didn't help here. You get your, see if I can do it with one hand. You get your wrench, and you can, basically what you're doing, obviously this won't fit there, and it won't fit like that, but you can push it way up there, and then bring it back, and stick your wrench on there and use it. But I went through my old toolbox and found something I've had forever that came in handy once, and it came in handy twice. This stubby, you can see here, the Lifesaver, saved me in Orlando and at 8 o'clock at night in an AutoZone parking lot. This guy comes in handy. Just put the socket on there, and you can kind of wedge them in there, and you can break those loose and then pull them out with your fingers. Okay, one more time, just for the sake of the video. This is the B&M shifter, slop and neutral, and we'll go ahead and do 6. Slop and 6. Listen, I'm an honest man. Look at that right there. I might have screwed something up on the install, or maybe it came a little wonky. That goes in there. You probably all know that. That goes around this, It's like a bushing, and obviously it's not there. That would explain the slop. So now I get my hands greasy and try to put that bushing back on. Oh. All right, the bushing's back on. I'm 99.9 and 9/9% sure that was my problem, which is fantastic because I spent $300 on this and I want it to work. Okay, it's not bolted in yet, but I can tell you right now that was the problem. Look at that. That's it right there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, well, there you have it. I'm going to leave the center console out because I need a zip tie to fasten the boot. But, oh yeah, much better. That right there, that's neutral. Oh man, reverse, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and nothing. So there's your problem. Don't be a dummy when you install things, and always check. Hope this helps somebody. I hope you don't have the problem, but if you do have the problem, I hope it helps.